Hello kids, today we are going to learn the phonics sound of B. B says B. B says
B.
It is an uppercase B. It is a lowercase b. Now let's start with the vocabulary of B. B for ball. Ba-ba-ba-ba, ball.
B for ball. Ba-ba-ba-ba, ball.
We play with a ball. B for bus. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bus.
B for bus. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bus.
It is a means of road transport. B for bird. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bird.
B for bird. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bird.
Birds fly in the sky. B for banana. Ba-ba-ba-ba, banana.
B for banana. Ba-ba-ba-ba, banana.
Banana is very nutritious fruit. B for butterfly. Ba-ba-ba-ba, butterfly.
B for butterfly. Ba-ba-ba-ba, butterfly.
Butterfly is a brightly colored insect. B for boat. Ba-ba-ba-ba, boat.
B for boat. Ba-ba-ba-ba, boat.
Boat is a means of water transport. B for balloon. Ba-ba-ba-ba, balloon.
B for balloon. Ba-ba-ba-ba, balloon.
Children love to play with the balloon. B for bucket. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bucket.
B for bucket. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bucket.
Bucket is used to fill water. B for bicycle. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bicycle.
B for bicycle. Ba-ba-ba-ba, bicycle.
Bicycle is used to travel by road. It is also a kind of road transport. Thank you.
Thank you.